Hey everyone, it's Ryan again from E.C.D Automotive Design. Today we're going to be talking about fitting custom gauges on your rebuilt Land Rover Defender. Upgrading the original gauges of your Defender can completely transform the interior of your vehicle. Whether your Defender has a more modern Puma dash or a classic style dashboard, new gauges can add both style and, most importantly, functionality. Our gauges can match the style of your vehicle. You can even see what the gauges will look like in our 3D rendering throughout your design phase. Some of our favorite classic style gauges come from Classic Instruments. These gauges make your restoration stay true to its original style while adding the benefit of actually working and looking good doing it. Some of the popular gauge styles that our customers have selected in the past include All-American Series, Autocross Series, the Mole Bomber Series, Nostalgia VT Series, the SoCal Series, the Silver Series, the Vintage Series, and the V8 Red Steely Series. Some of our customers have even opted to change labeling on their vehicle to have it more suit their needs. If you have a modern looking Defender, the Mole Bomber Series may be a good suit for you. If you have a classic style series, try out the V8 Red Steelies. It might just work good for you. Your custom gauges will include any custom wiring that will be required. And your gauge panel can also come in a variety of colors and textures, from leather to the original plastic. So as you can see, whether you have a modern or classic style rebuilt Defender, we have you covered with instrumentation.